Folks, welcome back to Bristol's Front Porch here on BTN. I'm your host, Tim White. My guest this week is Dalton Elliott. How old are you?
15.
15. I knew that. I just seen if you remember. Teddy Heltonbach. How old are you, Teddy? Teddy says he's old. You've always been older than me. But Teddy Helton's back here on the upright bass. We have a good time bringing you this show featuring musicians and luthiers and storytellers, even photographers and people that are in the music business. Pretty much is what this show is about. We play a little bit of music every chance we get, don't we?
Yes, sir.
You practice 3 or 4 hours a day, Dalton?
Yes, sir.
That's really good. Lives over in Bristol, Virginia, if you're just tuning in. And we're going to do another song here in just a minute. But Dalton, where do you go to school?
Virginia High.
Virginia High School.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what grade are you in?
10th grade.
Wow, when I was 15, I was in like 4th grade. You're doing all right. But we appreciate you coming over here and being on Bristol's Front Porch. Anything else you want to say about yourself? It's always good to see young people involved in this music, and it looks like the music's in good hands for the future with Dalton Elliott with the 5-string band. Did you ever listen to J.D. Crowe?
Oh, yeah.
He was one of my favorites, too.
Yes, sir.
Don Reno, of course, you or I neither one play the Reno style, but I'll have a great appreciation for Don Reno, too.
Anybody that can play like that, they're doing good.
Yeah. Well, you're going to do the Foggy Mountain Breakdown, right?
Yes, sir.
And you've got a little bit of information. Give us a history on this song, would you?
Okay. Foggy Mountain Breakdown was recorded in 1949 by Earl Scruggs and Lester Flatt, and Benny Sims from Johnson City, Tennessee, was in it. And
Benny played the fiddle.
Yes, sir. Played the fiddle, and he was in Bonnie and Clyde, the movie.
Yeah, they used that song. From what I understand, that Bonnie and Clyde movie came out about 1967, and Warren Beatty helped produce it, and he had heard the 1949 version of Foggy Mountain Breakdown. He just loved that sound with Benny on the fiddle and Lester and Earl. And that song was about 20 years old before it was on the movie Bonnie and Clyde, and that's really when it became a hit.
Yep, it was.
So anyway, Benny Sims passed away a few years ago, back in 1995, and the ACMA supports 2 scholarships at East Tennessee State University. That's the Appalachian Cultural Music Association. We've raised funds for many years now, 20 years, for the Benny Sims Scholarship. There's a scholarship in Benny's name at East Tennessee State University for their bluegrass, old-time, and classic country music program. And we also raise money for the Leon Kaiser Scholarship. 2 fine programs over there. But you maybe got your sights on going to ETSU when you graduate?
Yes, sir.
That's good. So anyway, Dalton Elliott, if there's nothing else you want to say, why don't you do a little talking on the neck of that banjo right there?
That sounds good.
Dalton Elliott. Dalton Elliott on Bristol's Front Porch. Thank you for tuning in to BTN, and we will see you next time.